What if the very next time you walk into an airport, the security gate already knows who you are before you even show your passport, before you even remove your shoes, before you even take out your laptop? What if your face, your heartbeat, even the way you walk, tells the system everything it needs to know about you in less than 3 seconds? Sounds unreal, right? But this is not some sci-fi movie script. This is the quiet future of airport security that's already being tested in hidden corners of the world, and most travelers don't even realize it. Imagine walking up to a checkpoint and there's no line, no barking security officer, just a seamless glowing tunnel that scans you while you casually stroll through. Your luggage is rolling behind you and it's being scanned in real time. Not by X-ray machines that need a human to stare at the screen, but by AI-powered sensors that can detect hidden substances, unusual densities, even chemical signatures invisible to the human eye. And the craziest part, they don't just scan your bag, they scan you, your micro-expressions, your sweat levels, your micro-tremors, your body temperature spikes when you're nervous. It's all being picked up like a lie detector that you can't hide from. And here's the twist. Most airports won't even tell you it's happening, because the next generation of security is meant to feel invisible, meant to dissolve the tension. No more metal detectors blaring, no more yelling to remove your belt. Instead, you'll be silently profiled, silently scored, and silently cleared or flagged without you even noticing. Now the question is, how far will this go? Because some insiders believe that within the next decade, passports will vanish, boarding passes will vanish, everything tied to a biometric ID. Your eyes become your ticket, your fingerprints, your permission slip, your heartbeat, your signature. But the system won't stop there. Oh no, airports are already experimenting with behavior corridors, long glass tunnels that track your body movements like a dance. Every step analyzed. Is your gait normal? Do you limp suspiciously? Do you speed up when police walk by? Do you avoid eye contact? Tiny details feed into a real-time risk score, and travelers won't even know why they got pulled aside. They'll just be tapped on the shoulder, redirected to a private screening room. No explanation. And here's where it gets darker, because future airport security won't only be about stopping weapons or drugs, it will be about predicting intent. Imagine systems that calculate whether you might commit a crime in the future, based not on what you did, but how your brain and body react under observation. It's like Minority Report, but stitched into your travel experience. Now picture yourself arriving at a foreign airport. You're exhausted, jet-lagged, and suddenly you're denied entry. Why? Because your risk score crossed a hidden threshold. Maybe you yawned too much. Maybe your phone showed suspicious browsing history. Maybe your luggage strap contained micro-metal that resembled a weapon. You'll never know. And while it sounds terrifying, some travelers will love it, because the payoff is no more endless waiting, no more removing liquids, no more awkward pat-downs. Instead, security becomes fast, silent, almost luxurious. And here's a shocking thought. What if airports begin offering premium security memberships, where wealthy travelers pay for enhanced AI clearance, getting greenlit before they even arrive, while the rest of us grind through standard invisible checks, a new class divide built right into the airport, and still, the tech will keep evolving. We're talking about full-body molecular scanners that read what you ate for breakfast, airborne sniffers that detect microscopic traces of explosives from 10 feet away, drones hovering above the terminal tracking unusual motion patterns, even sound analysis of your voice pitch when you order coffee at Starbucks. Nothing will be off-limits. The airport itself will feel alive, watching, breathing, listening, and yet the strangest part, most of us won't resist, because the experience will feel easier, smoother, faster. No visible security drama, just the illusion of freedom, the illusion of peace. But underneath, an algorithm decides if you're trustworthy enough to board. And one last question you should ask yourself: when this future arrives, and it will, are you comfortable knowing that your every blink, breath, and heartbeat is being judged by a machine before you even step foot on a plane? Because, like it or not, the age of invisible airport security is coming. And once it does, there's no going back.